I and my husband think that one of our biggest na problema sa mundo ngayon is yung security sa pagkain natin, especially dito sa Pilipinas, no? We rely mostly on imports. Pero paano ngayon kung ma-stop yun? Asa mo ito mga magkakaon na to? So we have to learn to grow our own food. Security-wise, may pagkain tayo if anything happens. And health-wise, kasi alam natin kung ano yung mga pang, di ba, katulad sa amin, wala kaming ginagamit na spray sa mga pagkain namin. So alam namin, kesa so namimili lang tayo, hindi natin alam kung, di ba, ano yung mga in-inject or pinang-spray doon sa binibili natin. At least if we grow our own food, alam natin kung ano yung mga nilalagay natin sa mga pananim natin and ano yung pinapakain natin dun sa mga alaga natin na eventually kinakain din natin. And of course, economical because we don't have to spend, di ba? Nandito na lahat with the stuff. So, growing our own food is very,
fulfilling.
Yeah, very, very fulfilling and ano siya, it's parang you are printing your own money.
Oh. Mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat, mga totoong Hinday. Kaway-kaway! Yan! So ngayon po, pinapakilala namin sa inyo yung pinakamalakasan namin na guest ngayon. Judge po siya, / farmer, si Judge Tin. Kaway-kaway po tayo, Judge Tin.
At dito po tayo sa GK Integrated Farm, ang pagmamayari po ni Judge Tin. At saka si
Supervisor Jomar.
Sir Jomar.
Ayan. So partner, ngayon, tanungin natin si Judge Tin kung ano yung inspiration niya, bakit nila binuo nitong kanilang farm, integrated farm, JK Integrated Farm.
So, good morning. So, when we started this farm, our purpose was to secure the food source for the family. So, your food security was the main goal. So, we planted and nag-alaga kami ng mga livestock para we don't have to, as much as possible, we don't have to buy na sa market, but we get it from our farm. By that, we know na healthy yung kinakain namin because we know kung ano yung mga pinapakain namin sa alaga namin, which we will also in turn eat, di ba? So, yun yung main goal why we started this farm. Yung mga produce namin is more than na siya for our consumption. So, my husband said, i-try mo pabenta. Yung iba, syempre, excess naman siya. So, we have to sell it naman. So, yun. So, we started selling and then medyo dumami yung mga bumibili sa amin. And with that, we also need additional mga tao, farm workers, no, na mag-alaga sa mga anong nandito sa farm. So, we thought of kailangan meron kaming stable source of daily income para masustain naman ng farm yung self niya sa mga gastusin, sa mga inputs, while we may need still to yung mag-shell out pa din kami, but hindi na lahat because the farm gives back. So, yun siya.
Ayun.
Sustain siya. So, ito po yung mga na-produce po nila mga idol. Ang itlog, yan, layer, at saka from layer po ito siya. At ito naman from itik, yung mga salted egg.
Salted egg. Actually, marami tayong produce sa farm. Ito, inilabas namin because pabaon.
Hi, thank you!
Pabaon. But our produce sa farm, main source natin ng ating daily income, syempre yung layer house natin na nagpo-produce ng ating quality. Talagang ito, we guarantee that our eggs, no, quality siya. Because of course we use also quality feeds for our mga alaga. So fresh every day, and the shelf life, it could we are proud to say that this could last from harvest kahit na 1 month fresh pa din yung ating mga itlog. And then of course we have our duck eggs. So far we have 3 duck houses, the Itik Pinas. Isa lang yung buyer natin ng ating duck eggs kasi ginagawa niyang balot, and those which are like minsan yung medyo manipis yung shell niya na hindi siya pwede pang balot, so we process it na maging salted eggs because yung shelf life naman nito, this could last for more than a month. So kami ang pa-process nito dito. And what else? And of course we have our achara from we have extension farms kasi nga maliit lang naman yung natin. Meron kami mga ibang farms, like we have extension farm in Makilala, may farm din kami doon. Yun naman mga fruit trees na mga marang, durian ang mga nandoon. So, parang tinatawag namin na extension farm. Then, we have the papaya. And so, we produced our achara. So, our production, of course, is hindi dito, but we have partnered with a friend na may production FDA approved yung kanyang like
Facility.
built-in facilities for our achara.
Ayun.
And we have nearby na maging extension farm din ng ating papaya plantation just around 7 minutes from here. So, nagpe-prepare na kami for that. Intended siya for our red lady naman na papaya.
For achara production.
For achara production and the table. Hopefully, we could also sa mga hotels and restaurants for yung pang-table, yun siya, papaya from fruits. And of course, our itik, since magkakald yung mga itik natin, so we have our fried itik siya, but meron tayong vacuum sealed na ready to fry itik na templado na siya. All you have to do is to fry it at home. And then you could already taste our best seller na itik. So you have tasted this kanina and masarap siya. Yes, we have brown eggs also since we have free range chicken. So may mga brown eggs din kami na binibenta. And yung mga chicks namin, Rhode Island, Black Arcelor, so we have our Plymouth, may mga pag nag-chicks, may mga bumibili na mga chicks yan, those who are also into backyard farming ng mga heritage chicken. Masarap kasi yung heritage, meat type siya and egg type, and sa amin dito, kino-crossbreed namin siya sa mga like Awakan or other na medyo big size na mga native, kasi parang sort of katulad kay Sir Manny Pinyol ba, parang manok Pinoy, yun, brand niya yun. But syempre, we have our own na, crossbreed lang. But yung produce naman niya, ang iyang lami kay native, but mas tender. Kasi di ba ang native kay medyo matigas. So, mas tender. So, lami siya i-roast. Because we do also roasting here sa farm. Pwede kami we can serve roasted turkey, roasted free-range chicken. If you want the native also na roasted, we can do that. And Peking duck also we have. So anything the farm to table, if you have requests, we can cook it for you. The surplus, of course, our vegetables, mga I would not say yet organic since we are not yet organic certified, but all natural, pesticide-free. We use our yung mga available dito sa farm, so walang nasasayang, our cow manure, chicken dung, and yung mga beds ng aming mga ducks. So yun ang ginagawa naming pataba sa aming mga pananim dito. And a lot more, and the bananas. So there's so many things na pwedeng ibenta namin here from the farm.
Yun. Nakakatuwa, partner. Yung gulay nila, sobrang taba yung okra.
Oo, grabing green na green ay.
Sa akin, kasi siyempre, tayo is synthetic farmer, yung conventional, yung mga fertilizer, pero hindi ganun siya kataba.
Sobrang partner, ang doon ay nakakatipid yung nila sa integrated farm. Dahil nga yung mga nila, chicken manure, cow manure, doon napupunta.
Duck manure.
Tanungin ko lang si Judge Tin, partner, kung gaano ka-challenging yung pagiging judge tapos sinabay niya pagiging farmer.
Yun.
Yeah, actually, of course it's challenging. You have to balance because syempre my priority is my job. But pag weekend, this little paradise becomes my yung parang pang break time sa mental natin, wellness and all. So when I do farming here, like nakakalimutan ko yung mga stress brought about by work because my work is of course stressful. Syempre priority natin yung work natin because we dispense justice and all. So I see to it naman na despite being so passionate about farming, na hindi ko din napapabayaan yung work ko. So it's just about balance. Work hard, and then farming becomes yung hindi lang siya productive because we also earn for the family through farming, but yung sa mental wellness din namin nakakatulong siya. Distressor. A place to relax.
Pero hindi din siya mahirap i-manage.
There are challenges, of course. Hindi naman perfect lahat. But you just have to, you gotta have a lot of patience. Siyempre, mag-deal ka sa mga tao mo, and then syempre farming, your farm workers, they do not have the same mindset as you. Most of them, of course, yung kanila is they have yung labor nila, yung puhunan nila, diba, to work, yung kasi yan man ang yan yung level na meron sila. So you have to be patient with them and deal with them properly kasi syempre sila din yung naiiwan. They work for you. Without them, wala namang mangyayari doon sa mga gusto mong ma-achieve for the farm without your farm workers. Of course, we treat them as family. Ano yung kinakain nila, kinakain. I do the marketing for them para to make sure na free man sila food. So, I make sure na lamikot lang pagkaon. They could eat karne, fish, and then the vegetable, dyan na nila kukunin.
Pero from the start niyo po, ma'am, till February, ngayon siya?
We bought the land in February of 2024.
Oo.
Yeah.
Tapos nag-start po kayo ng integrated farming.
Like late na ng taon na yun. Pang pakunti-kunti lang. We started like in June, we bought, yung pang testing lang sa my husband bought like 200 yung itik patehos, yung ganun. May mga konti kami, like we have 2 cows, yung pakunti-kunti lang muna. But like we took it seriously first quarter of 2025.
Ayun.
Doon yun na-start na sustainable na talaga sa first quarter ng 2025.
Not so sustainable yet, but somehow already earning. Pero pakunti-kunti, so you have to put in more capital because in farming, this is what I realized. Makakaroon ka ng maraming like gain, profit pag in volume. Dapat kapitalan mo
volume
siya.
talaga.
Kapitalan mo siya para
Sa farming.
maka-income. So, farming
Yun.
is expensive actually. I realize that now. Parang naubos ang pera.
Ayan, so yung matutong mga idea, si Judge na yun nagsabi na farming is expensive.
Yes,
Kaya
that's
dapat,
why we have to be proud of being a farmer because not only are we spending, we are providing.
Yun.
And especially if we are making sure that we are providing yung quality yung food for our consumers, then we should be proud of that.
Ayun. So yun mga totoo mga Inday siguradong gets na gets yun yung sinasabi ni Judge, no? At saka ngayon kasi nare-realize niya na yun na mismong sila na mismo nakaka-feel.
Yeah.
At kaya nag-hire siya ng supervisor si Sir Jomar. Mamaya interview ni si Sir Jomar.
Yeah, I need a Sir Jomar because as I have said, 5 days of course, I'm working. Diba? I'm working, I'm a government employee so I have to work. So somebody has to oversee the operations ng farm. Hindi na kaya ng powers ko, that's why I decided to hire.
Ayun. So yan mga totoo mga Inday dahil nga dito na si Sir Jomar, mamaya interview natin
siya
yan.
naman.
Judge Tin, ito na yung final mo na question ko for me. Ano ba yung future plans ng NJK Integrated Farm?
We have already been accredited as a learning site for agriculture. So hopefully this September we would have our launching as a learning site, and we dream of becoming TESDA accredited.
Nice.
And we dream of yung certified that we are into organic farming. So we are dreaming of that soon. So we will work hard for that. We know na hindi naman siya madali, but at least we have the vision and we have like may goal kami kung saan kami aabot. Of course, primordial is for us to be able to provide quality farm products for our valued consumers.
Question ko po, ma'am. Siyempre, marami naman nag-start na. So, sa'yo, I think, question ko po, ano yung pinaka-challenge mo na nalagpasan as galing na nagsimula sa integrated farm? Kasi siyempre yung iba nagsimula and then hindi nagtuloy na lose hope dahil may mga challenges. Sa'yo, ano yung mga nalagpasan yung challenges sa pag-put up ng integrated farm hanggang naging ganito?
Challenges, of course, a lot. So kanina, yung sa yung sa tao na side, no? But hindi naman ako agriculturist. Malayong-malayo ng profession ko from farming. All I have is the love for farming, yung passion for farming. So you've got to love, in order for you to yung ma-survive mo or malampasan mo yung mga challenges, you have to love what you are doing. Kailangan passionate ka because if not, with all the failures, like mamatayan ako ng mga itik because wala naman akong like formal education, di ba? Like learning to experience ba? Parang ganun. Like learning while doing it, accepting all the failures along the way. So, ganun siya. Siyempre, matayan ka ng mga alaga, kakasakit, kailangan mo pang pag-aralan, paano mo gagamutin. So, yung mga challenges yun na, siyempre, pag namatayan ka, bawas, nawalang pera yun. Oo. So, finances, of course, that's number one, yung parang isa yun siya sa pinaka number one din na challenges, no? Kasi if you have to, kasi ganito lang ito, but I spent like seven digits dito, no? So, finances, one. And then, of course, yung knowledge mo, technical know-how mo, sa mga inaalagaan mo, kailangan you have to learn talaga. Hindi mo pwede na iasa mo lang sa mga tauhan mo, especially if yung mga tauhan mo is mostly sa kanila, yung strength lang nila, yung kanilang, maiambag, no, sa farm. So, kailangan din na may alam ka. So, aralin mo din yung, bata, of course, with Sir, kasi agriculture, man siya,
okay,
agribusiness siya, oo. So, I know that I would have a helping hand on this matter.
Partner.
Yun talaga partner. Siyempre kung wala kang finances, pag namatay ka ng ilan, medyo mahirap din i-recover.
Of course.
Tapos kung wala ka ring love, sabi ka ni
Passionate ka.
wala kang passion,
and knowledge
bitaw-bitaw ka lang
mo.
ng pera, after pag tingin mong lugi, kung wala kang love talaga sa farming, quit.
Bibitaw ka na.
Oo.
So yun mga totoong Inday, yun ang pinaka
Aralin din natin. Kailangan,
maganda,
kumbaga, pag, siyempre, kung wala kang alam, so kaya you have to self-learn. Mag-aral ka din, kailangan halimbawa, pag may ganito nangyari sa alaga mo, so mag-research, you can do research, di ba, kung wala kang formal education on agriculture, you have to learn by your own, na para meron kang alam, or you could ask somebody na mga expert in that matter, then join seminars, ganun, para ma-enhance yung knowledge na meron ka.
ayun. So marami talaga tayong ma-learn dito pa sa judge yung kasama natin. Judge na farmer pa. So yung matutuwa mga Inday, sana naka-learn kayo doon partner. Tanungin natin si Judge Tin kung ano yung message niya sa mga na-inspired sa kanya na ganitong klaseng pag-start ng integrated farm.
I and my husband think that one of our biggest na problema sa mundo ngayon is yung security sa pagkain natin, especially dito sa Pilipinas, no? We rely mostly on imports. Pero paano ngayon pag ma-stop yun? Asa mo ito mga magkakaon na to? So, we have to learn to grow our own food. Security-wise, may pagkain tayo if anything happens. And health-wise, kasi alam natin kung ano yung mga pang, di ba, katulad sa amin, wala kaming ginagamit na spray sa mga pagkain namin. So, alam namin, kasi so, namimili lang tayo, hindi natin alam kung, di ba, ano yung mga in-inject or pinang-spray doon sa binibili natin. At least, if we grow our own food, alam natin kung ano yung mga nilalagay natin sa mga pananim natin and ano yung pinapakain natin dun sa mga alaga natin na eventually, kinakain din natin. And of course, economical because we don't have to spend, di ba? Nandito na lahat with the stuff. So, growing our own food is very,
Fulfilling.
Yeah, very, very fulfilling and, it's parang you are printing your own money.
Oh.
Ayun.
So ganun po mga idol ha. So ang dami po nating natutunan dito kay Judge Tin po mga idol. Pero bago tayo magtatapos, Judge, pwede mo ba silang i-invite to come and visit to your GK Integrated Farm?
Yes, I may not be here the whole week, but I have my supervisor and I have our people here who are very welcoming and hospitable to cater you whenever you visit our little paradise. You can have also your bonfire here with barbecue. We have that at night. And we have, meron kaming isang kubo that you could rent to have a farm experience here with us. So please, if you have the time or you want to, yung maka-experience ng farm life, please come and visit JK Integrated Farm here at Purok Sambag, Paligi, Hagunoy, Davao del Sur. Thank you.
So maraming salamat partner. Salute tayo kay Ma'am Tin. Thank you.
Thank you for coming. Like, I never expected this. No, I just got a message one night that you will be coming. So, thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank
and
you.
nataon din that I'm on leave today because I have important matters to attend to. Yung parang na-interest, sumuwak kayo sa schedule.
Thank
Para
you.
nag-live talaga si Ma'am Tin para sa atin.
Uy, huwag mo sabihin ganyan. Thank you so much Ma'am Tin dahil sa pag-accommodate niyo sa amin, sa team niyo po, kay Mas Mema. Ayan, tsaka yan, hopefully soon makabalik kami at sana makapunta kayo mga totoong mga Inday. Please visit JK Integrated Farm. Dito yan sa Hagunoy, Davao del Sur. Ayan, so matikman nyo yung nila, bestseller nila na itik, fried itik. So maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Happy farming, Judge Tin.
Okay.
Kaway-kaway, Sir Jomar.
Farming.
Si Sir Jomar na susunod interviewin namin. Bye-bye.